Okay, so let's get started. Go right click on your unknown device, details, and then here we're gonna click on hardware IDs, and all you have to do here is to copy this code so we know which driver we need to download. Go to your browser so we can search for this code that we just copied, then go to Google and paste this code, and then we're just gonna type one more word, which is download. And as you can see, this is the one that we need. As you can see here says Intel Smart Connect Technology device, and then here it says the same, and then here it says the same. So we need to identify which driver is it. So as we can see, the driver is Intel Smart Connect Technology device. So we need to search for that. So how now do we do it? This is not the official Intel site, so I do not recommend to download from these sites. These are third-party sites. These are not the official ones. So how you can download from the official one is to copy the one that you need. I'm gonna show right now. Now it depends which driver do you need. For me, this one I need. Then I'm gonna paste here. And now this one, and I'm gonna go with driver. And there we go. I have now from intel.com. This is the official site. So this is the driver that I need. The version here, I'm gonna go with latest. And I'm just gonna click on download here. Just make sure you are on the intel.com official site. If it's from Intel, if it's from AMD, make sure you're on AMD. So I'm gonna open this and install it. And that's it, the installation has been finished, and maybe this fixed your problem with your PC. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.